Hello AP Research students, my name's Henning. Ms. Street asked us to make a little video just talking about tips and tricks and just our experience with the course to give you guys a gist of what's coming your way. So I compiled a little list I'll be reading off of things to talk about to prepare you guys for AP Research. So my first bullet point says, love your topic. I had a hard time with this. At the beginning, we have to do a 50 resource assignment, and so I started with my topic being about guide dogs and environmental factors and whether or not they'll succeed in the program, and I got about 30 resources in, and I realized I couldn't care less about this. So the problem was I was already 30 resources in, and I was like, okay, like, I'm just gonna stick with it. But then my friend told me, she's like, you realize you're gonna have to do this for 5 months. So I switched it, and I ended up looking at designer fashion, and classism, and how they go together in the school setting. And I actually really enjoyed my topic. I had a great time researching it because I got to look at things I liked all day and topics I cared about. And so I can't really give you guys any tips on the presentation because coronavirus kind of cut that part off for us, which was kind of lucky for us. But when it came to the practice presentations that Ms. Street had us do, I found it really, really important to actually engage with these. The first one, I kind of just blew it off. I did really poorly, and the grading that I got reflected that. But I guess it's gonna be kind of hard for you guys since you're staying home. You can't really do practice presentations in front of anybody, and I don't know how it'll end up being at the end of the year, but if you end up doing it online, I guess that doesn't matter. But get comfortable with your topic, talk to your friends, talk to your family about it, and just get used to discussing what you're actually researching. My next bullet point is listen to Street's time management. When she tells you to like have something done by a certain date, it's not because she is mad at you or trying to make your life harder. She's doing it for you because at the end of the day, her timeline matches up perfectly, and it was very, very helpful, I'll say that. Peer editing is super important. I remember I had one of my friends read my paper, and you just become so comfortable with your topic, you just kind of bulldoze over and just ignore little things that are actually so vital to people understanding your paper just because you're so used to it. It's not because you're writing wrong. But listen to your peer editors and just really take what they have to say into account. Ask questions. Miss Street will answer them. If you have questions about what's going on, timetables, anything like that, Miss Street is there to help you. Like, that's literally her part of it. She's not here to write your paper for you, but she's here to help you stay on track and get that stuff done. Use any and all resources. And this means when you're reading other researchers' paper, usually you can find a way to contact them. And I actually spent this past summer, I did an internship, and I was talking with this guy who's doing research, and he was just going on, and I just realized how much people love to actually talk about their research. And I could say the same about my paper because I was really interested in my topic, and I think that's a really great thing because you can reach out to these people and they'll talk to them. I'm sure you can find their phone numbers, find their emails, and come in contact with them with social distancing and staying home, but you can find ways to get more information about your topic. And so I would really, really recommend reaching out and talking to people from your field and just hearing what they have to say about it. They'll provide some really cool insight. That's all I have for you guys. Good luck with this coming year, and I hope you all succeed. Bye.